Sauntering on the slide! Hi guys, I'm Arleo and welcome to the Kitchen Drink where we're raiding your fridges and making some delicious crafty cocktails. Today I'm here with Carrie.
Hello.
I met Carrie in an a cappella group in college. Why don't you tell the people a little bit about what you've been doing since college, since a cappella?
I just graduated college this past May, and since then I have started a job. I work in public relations. I've been doing that, kind of adjusting to a new life, moved to a newish place, and here we are.
Enjoying that adult life?
Oh, yes and no. That's a whole other thing to unpack.
I never really went out drinking with you, so why don't you tell us a little bit about what you usually get when you do go out?
Oh my gosh, every time I go, I try to get a different thing, but I like to get things that are super fruity, super delicious, because alcohol hurts me. It feels like flames going down my body, and I don't like that. Things that can mask the flavor of alcohol, but still get me that nice tipsy is what I aim for. Oh, and tequila.
Do you have tequila here?
I do not have tequila here.
That is, this is the second time that's happened. Hopefully what I make for you today masks that flavor that you don't really like. Ready to go?
I'm ready.
Cool. Carrie's fridge seems well stocked, but it actually has a lot of ingredients I can't really play with. Some of these ingredients either aren't hers, are something she can use but are allergic to, and are hers but are a little bit on the old side. But we do have a homemade ingredient that we can play with, and that's this pesto. We're gonna grab some lemon for acidity, little maple syrup for sweetness. I had to decide between strawberry and raspberry preserves. I've always preferred raspberry, and it was a good thing I did because there was actually a secret balsamic glaze hiding behind it. Bubbles are a great way to mask that alcoholic burn. Just gonna turn this hourglass over and give myself an hour to make this drink. It's okay, it takes me less than an hour. Starting with the tiniest amount of pesto. Gonna add our acids with our lemon and balsamic glaze, then our raspberry preserves. A nice hefty dose of vodka, and realize in our little taste test that I didn't make this sweet enough because I forgot the maple syrup. So we're gonna add a little more balsamic and then the maple syrup, which helps round out the drink. Give this a quick shake and strain. I just wanted to emphasize the raspberry a little bit more, so I picked the cranberry raspberry. And that's Carrie's drink. Let's see if she can find her own pesto in this slow, careful slide.
Oh, no.
Ready?
God. Whoa, that's really good. It also tastes like meat. Fruity, and it's like a little savory.
Yeah. Any guesses on what's in there?
If I had to guess based on my kitchen, I'm gonna say vinegar, like balsamic vinegar. Probably like raspberry sparkling water, because I know I have that.
I had one left. I used that last one.
Oh man, well, I guess I don't have that anymore. Do you put stir fry sauce in here?
Maybe.
Oh no. It's like good though. No, I close my eyes and it's like, it tastes very good on my tongue. But the fact that it looks like a freaking raspberry iced tea.
All right, you ready to find out what's in there?
Yes.
We're starting off with this old lemon you had.
It is old.
Yeah, I had to. This is one of the acidic components in there because all good sour drinks have some sort of acid in them.
Good. So this is what you would consider a sour.
Yes, this is a lengthened sour.
A lengthened sour.
Yes, because a sour is a sour is. Oh no! A sour consists of citrus, sweet, and spirit. This is lengthened with cranberry sparkling water.
Okay.
That was a good segue, thank you. So the reason I picked this cranberry raspberry one versus the lemon tea one is because I also used St. Dalfour red raspberry preserves.
Ooh, that's good.
I like using preserves because you can keep them for as long as you need.
Yeah!
Yeah.
You can keep them in my fridge where things
Yes.
go to die.
I should have checked if there was mold on this because you can sometimes get mold if it's not stored properly. Next up, you did sort of guess it. I used your balsamic glaze.
Nice.
So this is a little bit of acid and sweetness in one ingredient. When I first made this was the only sweetener I had, but I tasted it, I was like, ooh, that's not sweet enough. So the other sweet part I added was organic maple syrup. Like I said, way too sour without some extra sweetness.
I think that might have been what made it taste like barbecue sauce.
The liquor is vodka.
Interesting! I hate vodka, so I couldn't taste it at all.
If I were to have this drink, I'd probably do gin or bourbon.
I don't think I've ever had bourbon.
What? How is that possible?
You know?
The balsamic glaze was already kind of a weird ingredient. That special flavor.
Oh no, what is this?
Do you have any guesses based on what was in your fridge?
Did you use my pesto sauce? No!
I used your pesto sauce!
Oh my God!
One thing I dislike about sweet cocktails is how cloying they can get because it makes you not want to eat, makes you not want to drink more.
Yeah.
Gives you a hangover. The saltiness from this guy mellow out the sweetness without completely covering it up. Basil adds a little herbiness to go with the balsamic.
Yeah.
That garlic also definitely contributes to that meat taste.
I do taste the garlic.
Yeah.
Wow! But it's really good, and that's what's confusing. Actually, now that I think of it, it sounds like a really good marinade.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't think it would be good in a drink. I feel like it would pair well with a cheese.
balsamic, maple, garlic. You've got a charcuterie plate there.
Yeah, I'm into that. If it's something that you want to like completely mask the flavor of alcohol, yet have a fun adventure party on your tongue, like this is an amazing, amazing choice.
This is a combination of both of our efforts because I brought the drink and she brought the ingredient.
The pesto.
Yeah, yay! So guys, that's Carrie's kitchen drink where we put in everything but the kitchen sink. Remember to drink responsibly. Bye! Oh, I just tripped on your floor. Yeah.
I just want to know what this meaty drink is. Imagine like a kind of floral orange chicken.
It does taste like orange chicken. How do you think it tastes like orange chicken? Hello.
Everyone's coming back.
Oh my god, are you making cocktails in the morning?